Now we will discuss class 10 English poem All Things Bright and Beautiful. Some question answers that has come in the last 2 years examinations. First line, all things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. One question, wise and dash. It had come in 2020 examination. Set 1. Likely bright and beautiful it may come, so you have to learn the poem. Another question had come from paragraph 2. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, he made their glowing colors, he made their teeny wings, dash wings. It had come in 2020 last year. Then third paragraph, no question had come. The purple headed mountain, the rivers running by, the sunset in the morning, that brightens up the sky. Then fourth paragraph, 3 questions had come. The cold wind in the winter, dash in the winter. Cold wind, the pleasant summer sun, dash summer sun, pleasant summer sun. Ripe fruit in the garden, ripe fruit, dash in the garden answer. Then another paragraph, the tall trees in the greenwood, the meadows where we play, the rushes by the water we gather every day. It had come, the rushes by the water. I have made it underline. All the things I had made underline. You can see. Then another question had come. He gave us eyes to see them and lips that we might tell. Lips that we might tell how great is Almighty. He gave us lips what? For what? That we might tell. What he had given? That we might tell how great is Almighty. He had given us lips. How I spoke? From the lips, mouth, that is, who has made all things well. I had already marked which question had come in which year. Underline. You can see from the video itself, and if it is not clear, you can call me. My number is 9938501329. Just WhatsApp me. Again I am telling 9938501329. I have also another WhatsApp number 94379 Note it down, 94379 I had also written in the top of the poem. Here I am just showing you my number 9938501329. WhatsApp me. WhatsApp showing you. Okay, 9938501329. And another question may came, who is the writer? Cecil Francis Alexander. Then some other type of question may come, writer of Philemon. Same name, Cecil Francis Alexander. You just read it here, check the spelling. Best thing is to learn the poem by heart. घोषी मन रखते टोटाल पोएम टाक कि ये फ्रेज गुड़ा मन रख जस्ट अंडरलाइन कर फ्रॉम दिस ओनली क्वेश्चन विल कम फिन इन डाउट यू कैन टेल मी नाउ विल गो टू द स्विच ऑफ द one prose topics. I will just read and show you. Reading the best thing. A letter to God. This is the. Can you write a letter to God? How can you write? It has been written by G.L. Funtis. Now I am just reading the text. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat in the crest of a low hill. From this height one would see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with flowers that always promised a good harvest. That means they are getting very good harvest. ଭଲ ଅମଳ ହେଉଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କର ନଦୀ କୂଳରେ ଥିଲା ଚାଷ ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଦରକାର ଆମର ପାଣି ଦରକାର ଭଲ ଜମି ଦରକାର ବେଲି ସାଇଡ଼୍ ଥିଲା ଭଲ ଫସଲ ହେଉଥିଲା ସେମାନେ. You try to learn only English, but I am telling you in Oriya something. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. Barsa. Shower. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. ସେ କେବଳ ଆକାଶକୁ ଦେଖୁଥିଲା କେବେ ବର୍ଷା ହେବ ସେଇଟା ତାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା କରୁଥିଲା. Now we are really going to get some water, woman. The woman who was preparing supper replied, yes, God willing. ଭଗବାନ ଆମେ ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ପାଣି ପାଇବା. ମାନେ ଯେ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଲୋକ ଯିଏ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ବନାଉଥିଲା ସେ କହିଲା ଗଡ୍ ୱିଲିଂ ଭଗବାନ ମୋତେ ଦେବେ. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them all. ବଡ଼ ପିଲାମାନେ କାମ କରୁଥିଲେ, ଛୋଟ ପିଲାମାନେ ଖେଳୁଥିଲେ. Come for dinner. ଖାଇବା ଡାକିଲା. It was during the meal that just Lencho had predicted big drops of rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountains of cloud could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. मेघ ହେଲା ଆସିକରି ବର୍ଷା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ହେଲା. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body, and when he returned, he exclaimed, these are raindrops falling from the sky. They are new coins. କହିଲେ ଏଇଟା ବର୍ଷା ପଡ଼ୁନି, ଆମର ସବୁ ଟଙ୍କା ମିଳୁଛି ଆମକୁ. ମାନେ ଚାଷ ହେବ, ଫଳ ବିକି ପଇସା ପାଇବେ ସେମାନେ. ସେଇଟା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଟଙ୍କା, ବର୍ଷା ଡ୍ରପ୍ ନୁହଁ କିନ୍ତୁ କଏନ୍. ଦି ବିଗ୍ ଡ୍ରପ୍ସ ଆର୍ 10 cent pieces and the little ones are 5. ବଡ଼ ହେଲା 10 cent, ଛୋଟ ହେଲା 5. ଏମାନେ କହୁଛୁ 5 ଟଙ୍କା 10 ଟଙ୍କା ସେଇ ଟାଇପ୍ର ତାଙ୍କର ଯାହା ହେଲା ସେ ବର୍ଷା ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଟଙ୍କା. Then we read the next paragraph. The satisfied expression he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers. ବହିରୁ ପଢ଼ୁଛି ଜଷ୍ଟ, ଆପଣ ବହି ମିଳେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. Draped in a curtain of rain, but suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain very large hailstones began to fall. କୁଆପଥର ପଡ଼ିଲା ତା ସହିତ. These truly did resemble new silver coins. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen balls. ସେ କୁଆପଥର ସବୁ ଗୋଟେକୁ କଲେ ବରଫ. It is really getting bad now, exclaimed the man. I hope it passes quickly. It did not pass quickly. ସେ କହିଲା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଖରାପ ହେବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି, ଏଇଟା ଶୀଘ୍ର ଛାଡ଼ିଯାଉ କୁଆପଥର. For an hour the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the whole valley. The field was white as if covered with salt. ପୁରା କ୍ଷେତଟାକ ଧଳା ଦେଖାଗଲା ଯେମିତି ଲୁଣରେ ଭର୍ତ୍ତି ହେଇଯାଇଛି. Not a leaf remained on the trees. The corn was totally destroyed. ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ଗୋଟେ ପତ୍ର ବି ରହିଲାନି ତା ଫସଲରେ, ସବୁ ନଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲା. The flowers were gone from the plants. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. ତା ମନ ଦୁଃଖ ହେଇଗଲା, ଫୁଲଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ମରିଗଲା. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons, a plague of locusts would have left more than this. The hail has left nothing. This year we will have no corn. ଆମର କିଛି କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଫସଲ ହେଲାନି, କିଛି ନାହିଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ. That night was a sorrowful one. ଦୁଃଖ ହେଲେ. All our work for nothing. There is no one who can help us. କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଆମକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବ. We will all go hungry this year. ଆମେ ସବୁ ଭୋକ ରହିବା. But in the hearts of all who lived in that solitary house in the middle, there was a single hope, help from God. କିନ୍ତୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ଆଶା ଥିଲା ଭଗବାନଙ୍କଠୁ. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ହାର୍ଟରେ ଥିଲେ. Don't be so upset, even though this seems like a total loss. Remember, no one dies of hunger. ମନେ ରଖ କେହି ଭୋକରେ ମରିବେନି. That is why they say no one dies of hunger. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କେହି ମରିବେନି. All through the night, Lencho thought only of one hope, the help of God. କେବଳ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ଭରସା କଲା, ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବେ. Whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in the one's conscience. ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ଆଖି ସବୁ ଦେଖିପାରେ, ହାର୍ଟ ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି. Lencho was an ox of a man working like an animal in the fields, but still he knew how to write. କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଜାଣିଥିଲା କେମିତି ଲେଖିବ. The following Sunday at daybreak he began to write a letter which he himself would carry to town and place in the mail. जो चिठी लिखला डाक पठाइबा इट वाज नथिंग लेस दैन ए लेटर टू गॉड ये भगवान गोटे चिठी लिखा तापर कौन लिखाई गॉड ही रोट से लिखला भगवान इफ यू डू नॉट हेल्प मी माय फैमिली एंड आई विल गो हंग्री दिस ईयर I need 100% in order to sow my field again and to live until the crop comes because the hailstorm ये जो झड़ तोफान वर्षा है मुझे सब नष्ट है आप मत साहय न करेंगे मत 100 जन लोक दरकार पड़ो तो चाष करेंगे जमी he wrote to God in the envelope put the letter inside still troubled went to town चिठी लिखला लेफारे टाउन गला at the post office placed a stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox तापर चिठी बॉक्स पकई देला स्टाम्प लगे कारण चिठी पठे स्टाम्प दरकार One of the employee who was a postman and also who helped the post office went to his boss laughing heartily and showed him the letter to God. पोस्टमैन चिठा खोला डाक बक्स खोलला पठाइबा तो हसिला खुशी रे चिठी देखी लेटर टू गॉड देखला पोस्टमास्टर को नेवर इन हिज कैरियर एज ए पोस्टमैन हाड ही नोन दैट एड्रेस जीवन पोस्टमैन से एड्रेस जान नथिला गॉड एड्रेस कौन अछि द पोस्टमास्टर ए फैट आमिएबल फेलो also broke out laughing but almost immediately he turned serious and tapping the letters on his desk commented what faith I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter starting up to correspondence with God से कहला मोर को से विश्वास था भगवान प्रति से लोग केते विश्वास अछि चिठी लिखला so in order not to shake the writer's faith in God the postmaster came up with an आइडिया आंसर दि लेटर क्योंकि तार लोकर विश्वास न भांगे मन आइडिया आसला से कहले चिठी रिप्लाई दो मैंने भगवान रिप्लाई देले बट व्हेन ओपन इट वाज एविडेंट दैट नो आंसर इट हैड नीडेड समथिंग मोर दैन गुडविल इंक एंड पेपर से कहले गुडविल दरकार तार भल इंक पेपर अपेक्षा बट ही स्टक टू हिज रिजोल्यूशन ही आस्क्ड फॉर मनी फ्रॉम हिज एम्प्लॉइज ही हिमसेल्फ गेव पार्ट ऑफ हिज सैलरी एंड सेवरल फ्रेंड्स ऑफ he is obliged to give something for an act of charity sang mane the staff mane samaste sahajya kale it was impossible for him to gather together the 100 persons so he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half 100 लोक पठाइबा समान नथला तेंगुरी 50 पठाइला से he put the money in an envelope addressed to Lencho and with a letter containing only a single word as a signature God साइन करके पठाइला रिप्लाइड द फॉलोइंग संडे लेंचो केम ए बिट अर्लियर देन यूजुअल टू आस्क इफ देयर वाज ए लेटर फॉर हिम पचारा कौन चिठी आसी इट वाज द पोस्टमैन हिमसेल्फ हु हैंडेड द लेटर टू हिम व्हाइल द पोस्टमास्टर एक्सपीरियंसिंग द कंटेनमेंट ऑफ ए मैन हु हैज परफॉर्मड ए गुड डीड पोस्टमास्टर भल काम कर चाहिला से पोस्टमैन चिठी हैंडला looked from his office. Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Such was his confidence, but he became angry when he counted the money. से किसी सरप्राइज है कारण निश्चित विश्वास था भगवान पैसा पठे जो टंका गणिला से लगिगला God could not have made a mistake nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. God के मिस्टेक करिवेनी से जा मागिथिले के मना करिवेनी. Immediately Lencho went up to the window to ask for paper and ink जगह गला पेपर इंक मांगला on the public writing table he started to write with much writing of his brow caused by the effort he had to make the express his ideas बहुत कष्ट से लिखला था आइडिया लिखला when he finished he went to the windows to buy a stamp which he licked and then affixed the envelope with a blow of his fist. The moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. Said, God, of the money that I asked for, only 70% reached me. 70% reached me. Send me the rest, since I need it very much. But don't send it to me through the mail, because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. Lynch. से कहला मेल पठा नहीं मत पठा बाकी से पैसा किंतु पोस्ट लोक भल लोक चोर ऑथर है जॉर्ज लोपेज फॉन्टिस वाज ए मेक्सिकन नोवेलिस्ट पोस्ट एंड जर्नलिस्ट. Frontier started writing in the year 15 when the Mexican Revolution began. এটা হলো ଭଲ ଷ୍ଟୋରିଟେ। ଭଗବାନ ଚିଠି ଲେଖିଲେ, ଭଲ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଦେଲେ, ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କ୍ଷମା ଦେଲେ ସେମାନେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ କହିଲା ଯେ ପୋଷ୍ଟମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଏପଟ ପଠାଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି। ଆଜି ଦେଖିବା, କାଲି ଆମେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ କରିବା।